In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use absolute position in Figma. Start by opening the Figma website and loading the file or page you want to work on. Make sure your design is ready, especially the frame where you'll place your text. Many frames use auto layout to keep items neatly arranged. That's great for consistency, but it can be frustrating when you need one element to sit on top of others without shifting everything around. Let's say you've created a text layer and you want to place it inside your main frame. If that frame uses auto layout, dropping the text directly into it will usually push other items aside or change the spacing. That's auto layout doing its job, flowing content in order. But for labels, badges, or decorative text that needs to float freely, we want to override that behavior. Here's the key. Select the text layer and look to the right-hand properties panel. In the section related to layout and positioning, you'll see an option that lets you ignore auto layout for this layer. It often appears as a small icon for absolute positioning. Click that icon to enable absolute position. Figma may call it absolute position or remove from auto layout, but the idea is the same. This tells Figma that the text should be positioned independently inside the frame. Once absolute position is on, you can drag the text exactly where you want it without affecting the arrangement of other elements. Use the smart guides to align it precisely and hold Option or Alt to see distance measurements from nearby layers. The arrow keys are great for nudging. Add Shift to move in larger steps for quick adjustments. If your text appears behind something, check the Layers panel on the left and drag the text layer above the items you want it to sit on top of. Absolute positioned layers still respect the layer order, so moving it higher will bring it forward. If you ever need the text to rejoin the flow, simply toggle off absolute position and it will return to the auto layout stack. A quick tip: use absolute positioning sparingly for callouts, overlays, or decorative elements, and keep core content in auto layout so your design remains flexible and easy to maintain. That's it. Open your file, drop your text into the frame, enable absolute position in the right panel, and place it exactly where you want, without disturbing the rest of your layout.